Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential within your everyday superfoods? Imagine taking something already incredibly good for you, like blueberries and sweet potatoes, and boosting their power sixfold. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy, it's a simple, scientifically backed reality that you can achieve right in your own kitchen. Prepare to revolutionize your diet and supercharge your health in ways you never thought possible. If you've been looking for that secret edge, that one simple trick to elevate your wellness game, then you absolutely cannot afford to miss this. Get ready to discover the game-changing ingredient that will transform your favorite healthy foods into nutritional powerhouses. Unlocking the superfood synergy. Blueberries and sweet potatoes are already celebrated for their impressive nutritional profiles. Blueberries are tiny titans packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are responsible for their vibrant blue hue and their incredible ability to combat oxidative stress, support brain health, and reduce inflammation. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and an abundance of vitamins and minerals, especially beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body and is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. They offer sustained energy and contribute to a healthy digestive system. Individually, they are nutritional champions, but when combined with a specific, often overlooked ingredient, their benefits are amplified exponentially. This isn't just about adding another healthy component, it's about creating a synergistic effect where the whole becomes far greater than the sum of its parts, unlocking a cascade of enhanced health benefits that will leave you feeling more vibrant and energetic than ever before. The secret ingredient revealed. The secret to multiplying the potency of blueberries and sweet potatoes lies in a simple addition: healthy fats. Specifically, incorporating sources of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, or extra virgin olive oil, can dramatically enhance the bioavailability and absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants present in these superfoods. For instance, the beta-carotene in sweet potatoes is a fat-soluble nutrient, meaning it requires dietary fat to be properly absorbed and utilized by the body. Without adequate fat, a significant portion of this vital nutrient might pass through your system without being fully absorbed, diminishing its potential benefits. Similarly, while the antioxidants in blueberries are water-soluble, many of the beneficial compounds work more effectively in the presence of healthy fats, which can aid in cellular absorption and protection. This isn't just about throwing any fat into the mix, it's about choosing the right kinds of fats that complement and elevate the existing nutritional profile, creating a truly optimized superfood experience. Maximizing absorption and impact. Consider the science behind this powerful pairing. When you consume sweet potatoes with a source of healthy fat, the fat acts as a vehicle, facilitating the transport of beta-carotene from your digestive tract into your bloodstream, where it can then be converted into active vitamin A. This means you're not just eating sweet potatoes, you're ensuring that your body is actually absorbing and utilizing a much greater percentage of their incredible vitamin A content. For blueberries, while their primary antioxidants are water-soluble, the addition of healthy fats can still play a crucial role in overall nutrient assimilation and cellular health. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, are known to reduce inflammation and improve cell membrane fluidity, which can indirectly enhance the effectiveness of antioxidants. By consciously pairing these superfoods with healthy fats, you're not just adding calories, you're strategically enhancing their nutritional impact, ensuring that every bite contributes maximally to your health and well-being. This simple adjustment transforms your meal from merely healthy to extraordinarily potent, providing a significant boost to your immune system, vision, skin health, and overall vitality. Practical applications for everyday life. Integrating this powerful synergy into your daily routine is incredibly easy and delicious. For blueberries, imagine blending them into a smoothie with a spoonful of chia seeds or a quarter of an avocado, or sprinkling them over Greek yogurt with a handful of walnuts. The healthy fats from these additions will help unlock their full antioxidant potential. For sweet potatoes, consider roasting them with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, or mashing them with a touch of coconut milk or a dollop of almond butter. These simple culinary adjustments not only enhance the flavor, but also significantly boost the nutritional absorption, turning a healthy meal into a truly optimized superfood experience. You can even combine both: a breakfast bowl with roasted sweet potato cubes, fresh blueberries, a sprinkle of flax seeds, and a drizzle of nut butter creates a powerhouse meal that fuels your body and mind for hours. By making these small, intentional changes, you're not just eating well, you're eating smarter, ensuring that you're getting the absolute maximum benefit from every single bite. Beyond the plate, a holistic approach to wellness. Embracing this principle of superfood synergy extends beyond just blueberries and sweet potatoes. It encourages a more thoughtful and informed approach to your entire diet. Understanding how different nutrients interact and how to optimize their absorption empowers you to make smarter food choices across the board. This isn't about restrictive diets or complicated meal plans. It's about making simple, effective adjustments that yield significant health dividends. By consistently pairing your nutrient-dense foods with complementary ingredients, you're building a foundation for long-term health, increased energy, and enhanced vitality. This simple yet profound understanding can transform your relationship with food, turning every meal into an opportunity to nourish and strengthen your body at a cellular level. So go ahead, experiment with these powerful pairings, and witness firsthand how a small change can lead to a monumental impact on your overall well-being. Your journey to a more vibrant, energized you starts now.